Okay, this is Yakup Alper from Turk Telekom, and I'm working as a mobile core network architecture.
You might need to put it on
a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Is now good?
People can hear it? Okay.
Can you hear me or not? It's okay. Okay. Today I'm gonna try to tell you that our company first in a very short time, and then I will mention about our projects and use cases, which we already contributed for the ONF. And let's make it for the first phase that we are the oldest company, telecommunication company in Turkey. So we have, I have several numbers here that we have nearly 42 million subscribers, and we have 20 million mobile subscribers, and nearly 40 million fixed access subscribers, and we have a large mile fiber connections also. What we do for the virtualization, we created a service system capability analysis for all the services that we sell to the customers, and we defined the services and also network elements that we need to make it virtualized. So we created a ONF roadmap preparation especially for the prioritized use cases, which are GI and Volta, of course, as the others. And then now we are at the stage of the telco-grade NFVI selection and design. And now after that one, we will make the model for the central data centers and the regional data centers. After that one, we will make the mono design and OSS integration. Let's skip that one. And then what we are in the ONF. What are we from the ONF perspective? That we are a board member of the ONF, and as you know, that we are support for the use cases, and we delivered one, and then now it's on the technical steering committee, and it will be, I think, discussed. And we are also a platinum member of the ONAP, and then willing to apply that the convergence of the fixed and mobile infrastructure. We are also service function chaining, you know, the Volta, and especially for the COPs with P4 switch that I think today the other guys are mentioned very much about this point also. And we have, in fact, now we see that the two use cases are very, very important for us. We put it to the top prioritized use cases. One is for the subscriber-aware dynamic service function chaining. The other is the Volta. And especially we want to apply the subscriber-aware dynamic service function chaining for the access independently. So we want to use it for both mobile customers and for both fixed access customers. So we made a design for that one. Also, we are working on the Volta, and then we are willing to apply this both case in this year, at least with the test. Maybe we will be able to deploy on a live network, live migration for the SFC and the Volta both case. We will try to do that. And as I mentioned at the beginning, that the SFC is a very a must case for all the mobile operators. Because of that, if you want to create a new service, you have to define back-to-back for each one. But it's not suitable for now because you cannot put all your money to one box to 100 gig traffic to carry it. So you need to classify that users, that you need to merge the subscribers to related services. So in this use case, we will fasten the new service to deploy it, and we will aim to make the cost optimization, especially for our users. User experience will be improved. We believe that one. and we will make the bandwidth management. In this use case is UCSD approved for the TSD, and we are waiting for the TSD, in fact, and to discuss that and what we can do. Also, as I think I didn't mention that the NetCI is a sub-company, and we are working with them to create the code. So we have a working code, as you said. That, so we will put, and we are willing to make our best for this use case. The other use cases, as I mentioned, the Volta, and our main focus on that Volta case to get rid of the vendor independency, in fact. On the OLT side and the ONT side, you know that there is a vendor locking process on that one, so we want to get rid of from that one. So I think you mentioned about that Volta cases very much. Well, of course, we will be expecting the CapEx, OpEx saving, and then, of course, the customer experience increment. And also, we will apply the, as I said, service function chaining for the fixed network customers. So with that Volta, we believe that we will also be able to apply the service function chainings for the end users. So also another case that we already test in live is the program demo in Turkey on ministerial areas. I think I have to mention that our government made an agreement with the ONF, and then they will use the court for the ministerial areas for the run slicing. In our test case, we created three different run slice. One is for the public safety, the other for the VIP users, and the other one the standard users. And we tested, and then we saw that it's a useful case for that, and the ministerial also approved that use case, and they will use the court for this program. We have a very strict roadmap. As you can see that we are planning to finish all the Volta and the GI LAN in this year. And especially Volta will be, I think, finished on the quarter three, but on the GI LAN, we are planning to make it live, get it live in quarter 4. So also we are expecting the ONF to be fast as we can. That's all my side, and thank you very much.
Thank you.